Easy Access Suitcase Singlefold. The portable Suitcase Singlefold ramp, with its single-fold design, sets up quickly and can be carried like a suitcase when not in use. It is designed for people who need immediate access no matter where they are. Highlighted features include a live, full-length, non-protruding hinge for additional strength and stability, reducing pinch points and giving the ramp ideal weight distribution. Extremely durable, extruded, slip-resistant tread designed for high-traffic use, providing superior traction. Heavy-duty, ergonomic comfort handles which are flexible and are not susceptible to breakage. Self-adjusting bottom transition plates and solid top transition plates allow smooth transitions both on and off the ramp. 7 lengths are available to fit the user's unique needs, from 2 feet to 8 feet, with a usable width of 30 inches. Easy Access Suitcase Singlefold ramps feature an 800-pound weight capacity, the Easy Access lifetime warranty, and are made in the USA.